Have you ever felt connection with your indigenous roots? That connection is what we are going to talk about today in the poem Small Towns and River by Mamang Dai. Mamang Dai is an important Indian author hailing from Arunachal Pradesh. And in this poem, she talks about the local culture as well as mythologies and contemporary issues. In her poem, she explores this contrast between modernity and tradition and talks about humans' deep connection with their insight. Her poem is a microcosm of various societal issues, the bigger ones. She also talks about the various cultural practices that are prevalent in our society, especially in the small towns. This poem is actually a personification of connectivity and continuity along with the flow of life. The poem brings forward a stark contrast between the permanent and the temporary. The river which is flowing through this small town is a symbolism of the continuity of life, whereas the people living there in the small towns are subject to transience. They will come and they will go, whereas the nature would continue to live there. The river has been a source of industrialization, source of water for the whole town, and it will remain forever as long as nature is there. But the people who are getting this advantage from the river are going to change from day to day. Mamang Dai employs various imageries invoking the beauty of nature and also enhancing the emotional depths of the characters through the nature that surrounds them. In this poem, the poet brings forward the various nuances of the indigenous culture through the narratives of the lines. The concept of the tube roses and the rituals which precedes after somebody's death are the cultural practices that had been practiced in the small towns for a long period of time. This poem contains very light vocabulary. No such difficult words have been used. So as you go through the poem, you would get a very lucid and flowing bit of narration. And as you leave the video, remember, like the small towns and the river, your life is also a constant flow shaped by the landscape you inhabit and the journeys you undertake. So what rivers you cross and what towns you build definitely creates your personality. Think about it.